Hi everyone, today I am participating in the Fall Lantern collaboration hosted by the lovely Kenya from Kenya's Decor Corner. And Kenya has asked us to decorate a lantern for the fall, and we could either show you how we decorate it or show us in our home where we are to use this lantern. And I will leave a link to Kenya's channel and also to the playlist. So when you finish watching my video, make sure you go over to Kenya's channel and also watch the playlist. And stay tuned and I will show you what I have done with my lanterns and where they will be placed.
I have chosen to decorate these 3 lanterns, and I will show you, insert a picture of how they look before. These lanterns I purchased from Goodwill, and they were brown, and I paid $5 for the 3 of them. So I painted the lanterns white with a white chalk paint, and I have just made a bow that says "Give Thanks," and a little sign that says "Hello Fall," and just a pic that purchased from Hobby Lobby last year. Now everything I have that I use for these lanterns was from last year, except for this beige ribbon that I purchased this year from Michael's. And I believe that is all. And the lanterns came with LED candles, which, because I put everything on top of it, I can't lift them up now. But I just decided to make a bow, and I just love the way it came out. So fall. It looks so beautiful. And I have 3 of them, and I'm going to try to open this up and let you see what I put inside. And inside this one, I just used some pumpkins and some bowl fillers, and all of this came from last year, Hobby Lobby and Dollar Tree, and I believe maybe Target, but they were all in the box from last fall items. So I believe it came out really pretty, and I just love how colorful it is. And so that is one lantern. And then over on this one, I did the same bow, the same ribbon, and the same pick. And then I just put some bowl fillers into this one too. And I put some bowl fillers into there, and like I said, this lantern came with a couple of LED candles. And I just love the way they turned out. The white looks really pretty. And I thank my subscribers and those that commented when I haul these, just tell me what color to paint these lanterns. And on this smaller one, I used a different ribbon. So I did purchase this ribbon from Dollar Tree a couple of days ago. And I already had a pick that I use, and inside there I just have, it's a small, much smaller one. So inside there, I just have a pumpkin and some acorns and some, you know, from the bowl filler. So I think it came out very pretty. I just love the way it turned out. And I have them sitting here because I believe you'll be able to see more and I can explain more to you. And then at the end of the video, I will show you where they are going to go. So you could just take a look around. And I just love the color. I just love that ribbon. That ribbon was from last year, but I believe I've seen it at Michael's, and you could still get that ribbon. says give thanks. It is so pretty. I'm going to close this door. So these are my fall lantern collaboration. So at this time, I would like to thank Kenya for hosting this collaboration. Thank you, Kenya. And I want to thank you all for watching. And if you have not already done so, and you would like to join the Deals with Lady P family, don't hesitate and hit that subscribe button, and also hit the notification button that you'll be notified of all the videos as they come out. Thanks again for watching. You all be blessed to be a blessing, everyone. Bye bye. See you all on the next video.